Hey guys, now I'll show you how you can handle errors in Express.js. So basically it's not normal error like try catch. I'll show you how to handle like HTTP errors like okay you are not authorized or validation is wrong. So like that type of error. So I have made a file normal app.js and I'll install Express. Then I'll show you a package that will use. Okay, firstly let me show you normally. So we'll just make it normal express constant app equals to express. Okay guys, everything's normal. We'll just say app dot listen 4000. Yeah, now we'll just say node app dot js. So everything's running fine, nothing much. Now what I'll say, I'll just make a route app dot get and we'll say request comma response, and we just say rest dot send hey. Okay, so this is a route. So if this route, if the method is not allowed, like we just get a message cannot get, cannot post on this route, so we'll just say app dot use. If there is not any route like that or not any method, we'll say app dot use, and here we'll say as always request response and next, and I think I will make it async, but it's not required maybe here. Now here we'll say now you have came to a long route that is not present, so we'll say constant error equals to new, sorry guys, equals to new error, and here we'll say constant error dot what's happening status. So status is like 404 because this route is not visible or there is not any route like this, and we just pass it to next middleware which is error route. Okay, that will handle all our errors. Now here we'll say let me just remove this part. Yeah, now here we'll handle all the errors which are coming, and it will take like this parameter, like your next, sorry, error, then request, then response, then next. Okay, next is not required here basically. Now we'll say like we'll set the status as dot status. So status will be getting in the error, but if the status is not there, just make 500 as a status. So if some error is coming, so here we have set the status like okay status is 404, so it will just use that. If not present, just use 500 or okay. Then we'll say rest dot send, we'll make a body, we'll say error, and here we'll say or maybe we should like say error like this, and we'll say status, we'll say if the status in the error dot status, or if not, so something is wrong from my side, so I'll say 500. Other than that, I'll say message, and we'll get a message here also. Yeah, let me, yes, so there is some what is the error here? Okay, yeah, now it's cool. Now let's just check if we get to a long route, it will come here. Okay, you are onto the long route, but this this will be handled by this error route. Okay guys, so let's just open the Postman, and let me make it to strings. We'll go to terminal, we'll install Nodemon to check. So suppose 4000 is not there, I mean 4000 is there, so let me just make a get. Yeah, so error cannot get because it's not running. Yeah, now it's address already in use. Huh, how come? Okay, yeah, there it's running. Now let's just get, so we got hey normal. If we try to post the same thing, what we got, a bunch of next reference error, next is not defined, and it's called next not neck. Yeah, send error status 404, message none because we haven't sent any message, and you can see status 404. So this is the basic how you send an error if the page is not found. So here we can say page not found instead of sending that long message. See, page not found. Now we'll use some libraries to do this more easily. Let me open Chrome, and here we'll say http errors, and yeah, you can see you go to npm http errors. So it's basically a package to like add some, I mean it just make your work a little easier, and you can see it gives you basic codes also, 400 for bad request, unauthorized payment, forbidden, not found. So yeah, basic ones. Yeah, and to install it, just use npm install http errors, and you can see the weekly downloads, I mean 40,999,452, and it's not just a normal package. Okay, someone is using, someone are not, so it's basically a lot use, but newbies use is less. So let's just install that. So it's called npm install http dash errors. Yeah, http dash errors. Okay, fine, now we'll run it. Okay, let this be running. Now we'll go there and we'll say just require create error like this, and we'll paste it. Yeah, and we will change it to constant. Now instead of lighting this much of new error, page not found, and 404, we can just remove this. If the page is not there, we'll just say create error. And what is this error? So error is like page not found, you can see not found. So we'll just enter the method dot not found. Simple. Now we don't have to do anything, it will just send it to there, and it will just do their stuff. And we can just write like this also, whatever code is not working, your code is not working, or whatever it's there that is not working, or apart from your long like wrong route. So any code is there that is not working, it will just come here. If I post, see not found, so we don't have to give message also, it's done by the create error only. Now the main purpose, we have to check in the any routes, like real route. So if I say app.get, we'll say register, or we'll say app.post. Okay, So here also we'll take like request, response and next. So in general you send in the body, so here I just say app.use express.json. Yeah, so in general we just use like I mean data like email is common, so we'll say const body, like let me write like this: if request dot body dot email, if the email is not present, return, sorry, we'll say throw create error. And this is a, if the data is not present, so what is the error? That's unauthorized, we'll say, or maybe we'll say unauthorized, you are not authorized, or we'll say bad, forbidden, payment not found, request timeout, we'll say unauthorized 401. So we say create error dot unauthorized, yeah, like this. Now it won't go to directly there, it will give you an error. If I just show you, if I just go to slash register and I'm not sending any email, let me just remove all the previous datas. See, unauthorized 401 unauthorized, you can see we are getting the response as 401 unauthorized. Why? Because we came here, we say okay, create error unauthorized. If there is the data, we'll say console.log, or we'll say res.send. Okay, res.send data received. Okay guys, now we'll again send, and here we'll send the email now, okay na, to check whether it's working, like any text. See, data received. So this is the way you can do it, but this is not the correct way. It will work, but in future it may create some errors. So always try to do it in a try catch, this thing. So we'll put a try, and till here, sorry, yeah, till here, till wherever you code completion, then we'll say catch, and we'll catch the error. So basically whatever you are throwing here, it will be catched by this catch. Okay, now here we'll say catch next, and now here we just send the error. So basically it will come to this route, check not email, it will throw error, it will come into catch block, and it will send the next error to the this error route. Okay, send data retrieve, data not there, error status 401, message unauthorized. So this is the basic structure how you can just play with your I mean error handling of your in a proper way. So yeah, so that's it in this part, like how you can handle errors with using HTTP errors, which makes your work very easy.